Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Ngozi. My name is Ngozi, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're welcome, okay? Yes. If today is your first time here, I welcome you. I promise you a truckload of fun as usual. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for supporting me. And I also want to appreciate my 509 subscribers today. You guys are amazing. Thank you for supporting me and keep supporting me. Okay, in today's video we are going to talk about conjunctions. Okay, conjunctions are words that join or connect words or phrases or clauses together. Okay, today we are going to look at conjunctions in Igbo. In Igbo we call that njiko. Njiko, yes, njikoku. Njiko conjunctions. Njiko conjunctions, okay? But before we delve into what we have for today, if you find this video helpful at the end of it, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll always be the first to be notified. All right? Yes. So let's get it started. You're welcome back. There is a long list of conjunctions, but today we are going to look at the most frequently used. Okay, we have the end, or, we have but, then before. So we are going to look at these four. We have and, or, but, and before. These four, okay? We are going to look at how these four serve as conjunctions in Igbo language, okay? The first on our list today is end. End in Igbo, we use it as na. End, na. End, na. Now let's make few sentences for you to understand what I am saying. My mother and father. My mother and father. Nne na nnam. Nne, mother, and na. Nnam, father, mine, okay? Nne na nnam, my mother and father, okay? The next sentence is Chioma na Ifeanyi chulu mmili taa. Chioma na Ifeanyi chulu mmili taa. Chioma and Ifeanyi fetched water today. Chioma and Ifeanyi fetched water today. Okay? The next sentence is Akpa na akpụkpọ ụkwụ a bụ nkem. Excuse me. Akpa na akpụkpọ ụkwụ a bụ nkem. The bag and the shoes belong to me. The bag and the shoes belong to me. Akpa na akpụkpọ ụkwụ a bụ nkem. Akpa na akpụkpọ ụkwụ a bụ nkem. The bag and the shoes belong to me. Okay? Do you understand it now? The work of na in Igbo language, that is the end conjunction. The conjunction end in Igbo is na. Alright? Yes. The next on our list is or. In Igbo, we use that as ko, or maobu. Ko or maobu. Okay? Ko or maobu. Now let's take these sentences so you understand what I'm saying. First sentence. Icholunke ko nkozo. Icholunke ko nkozo. That is, do you want this or that? Icholunke ko nkozo. You can also say Icholunke maobu nkozo. Icholunke maobu nkozo. Okay? Do you want this or that? Okay? Now the second sentence is this. Wetelum evele ko iko. Wetelum evele ko iko. Okay? Get me a plate or a cup. Get me a plate or a cup. Wetelum evele ko iko. You can also say wetelum evele maobu iko. Maobu iko. Get me a plate or a cup. Okay? Now let's look at another sentence, okay? Iyeli oshikapa ko agwa. Iyeli oshikapa ko agwa. Will you eat rice or beans? You can also say iyeli osikapa maobu agwa. Iyeli oshikapa maobu agwa. Okay? It's either ko or maobu. Okay? Whichever one you choose, you are still correct, okay? Iyeli oshikapa ko agwa. Or iyeli oshikapa maobu agwa. You are still correct. Icholunka ko nkozo. Icholunka ko nkozo. Do you want this or that? You can also say Icholunka maobu nkozo. Icholunka maobu nkozo. The other sentence is wetelu mwevele ko iko. Get me a plate or a cup. Wetelu mwevele maobu iko. Get me a plate or a cup. So it can be ko or maobu. Okay? Good. The next on our list there is but. But. In Igbo language, we use that as mana. 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 Okay? Mana, but. Mana, but. Now let's make sentences with mana. Okay? Mwanya malumma. Mana otoro ogologo. Mwanya malumma. Mana otoro ogologo. This lady is beautiful, but she's not tall. This lady is beautiful, but she is not tall. Mwanya malumma. Mana. Mana otoro ogologo. This woman is beautiful, but she is not tall. Okay? The next one is awonka amaka. Awonka amaka. The cloth is beautiful. The cloth is beautiful. Wait a second. Remember I taught you something on our cloth. Well, I will leave the link in the description so you go and get that video. Very interesting video when I was talking about I think attires, or don't worry, I'll leave the link in the description. Okay? Back to what we were doing. Back to what we were saying rather. Awonka amaka. Mana oburo ifencho. Awonka amaka. Awo this. Awonka amaka. Mana oburo ifencho. Remember, we are talking about but. Mana. Okay? Awonke amaka. This dress is beautiful, but it is not what I want. Awonke amaka. Mana owuro ifencho. Owuro ifencho. Okay? You get it now? Yes. The next sentence is Woka jolonjo. Woka jolonjo. Mana agwea amaka. Woka jolonjo. Mana agwea amaka. This man is ugly. This man is ugly, but his character is good. This man is ugly, but his character is good. You can also say Woka jolonjo mana omumie amaka. Remember when I taught you something on character, omume, and the rest? I'll also leave the link in the description so you understand it better. It is a whole topic on its own, but I've already treated that in my previous video. I think 2 videos before this. Yes. Woka jolonjo mana omume amaka or mana agwe amaka. This man is ugly, but his character is very good. His character is very good. Okay? Now, the subject there is mana, but. Mana, but. Do you understand it now? Yes. The next conjunction we are going to look at now is because. Because, okay? In Igbo, we say maka, maka, maka. But when we want to use it in a sentence, sometimes we add na, depending on the sentence. Now let's take a look at these interesting, simple sentences. Okay? Yeah. Afolonge n'anya rinne makana ibu nnam. Afolonge n'anya rinne makana ibu nnam. I love you so much because you are my father. Afolonge n'anya rinne makana ibu nnam. Afolonge n'anya rinne makana ibu nnam or ibu nnam. Okay? The next one is Imalu okive. Imalu okive. Imalive rinne or imali okive. Makana esolongpongpo. In other words, you are very smart because you are short. You are very smart because you are short. Imalu okive. Okive is being very smart. Imalu okive or imalive rinne. Makana because makana is solongpongpo. Makana is solongpongpo because you are short. Okay? Makana is solongpongpo. That brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you learned a thing or two. Why not click on the videos appearing right now on your screen to link you up to the videos I talked about, okay, in the course of this particular video. Odomanya na nkuzi nke taa balugulu rinne. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Okay? In my subsequent video, I'm going to bring up more conjunctions in order to improve your Igbo language speaking. Okay? Ngwan kodi no gozo. Afam ka Ngozi ka. Bye.